Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? This is another tutorial, and you are on YouTube channel. And my channel is all about SEO, blogging, cryptocurrency, media. So if you are just watching this particular video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the new and the latest update from me. On this video, I will be taking you through on how to get free high quality instant approved DoFollow backlink with DA of 92 and 93 and 92. In this video, I will show you the website where you can get high quality DoFollow with a unique juice for your website to rank higher in Google search. The first on the list, as we are going, feedballer.com. If you're having an account with Google, there's no need for you to be stressing yourself. As you can see, one of my websites that I created DoFollow backlink with FeedBurner is this. And what do you need to do? Just go to FeedBurner like this. I have to sign out so I can show you how you can get it. Sign in with a new account or whatever the one you have. Another on the list where you can get DoFollow backlink. You can get DoFollow backlink from arcadestanford.com. This particular website, you can get backlink from them. Go to the home page like this, create a username. If you have an account, you can register. If you don't have, this particular is a edu link. So it's good for your website and you can use it to rank on Google. And you create an account with your email, username, select the follow, and after that your account is created. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. If you like, please kindly subscribe to my channel for more and latest video, and comment on this particular video or any other of my video that you find useful for you, so that I will know what I'm doing is makes sense to you. This is YouTube channel. Please kindly subscribe again. Thank you for watching. I will be back in my next video. Bye bye.
Purchase your tracks today.
It's based up, bitch.